Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you where the power button location on the Anbernic RG certified XX. Okay, as you can see on the table now, this one is the Anbernic RG certified XX, and you will find the power button on this location. You can see here. Okay, and to turn on your Anbernic, just press and hold. So if you just press it one time, it will not turn on. So now just press and hold about 5 seconds. Okay, 1 2 3, press and hold until you can see the screen appear, and then release the power button, and now it's get back to work. Okay, and to turn it off back, now just press it one time, and then it's now just lock the screen display, and press one time, it's get back to the on screen. Okay, for example, press one, press another one, it's get back. Okay, and to turn it off for saving your battery, just press and hold again until you can see the word goodbye, and now it's turned off. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the power button location on your Anbernic RG certified XX. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.